Anyway, debate video. Yeah. Alright, it's going to be kind of stupid. I'll do it in pieces maybe. I got some projects got to do. Finally, it stopped raining. And, maybe it'll stay dry for a couple of days. Anyway, this is not very debatey. So getting to the debate part. Quantum physics. Yeah. So there's nothing wrong with saying the words quantum physics. That seems pretty safe, right? You just say quantum physics. Okay, like small particle physics. Okay, no big problem. Then they throw, as soon as you get in there though, there's all this quantum mechanics stuff. And there's apparently all these rules that, if you can't deny whatever, the majority explanation. And if you're doing that, it's just like rejecting evolution. So unless you take the whole package, that this is what quantum mechanics means. It means that there's randomness in the universe, that particles are in two places at once, that you can't even really legitimately theorize that anything else is going on. Oh God, do some repair work there. A little bit of water damage. Anyway, annoying. Everything's annoying. I really don't want to do any of this shit. Don't want to do it. You want to do this laundry? Shit. What is this crap on the floor? Anyway, anyway. So quantum. Sorry. Distracted. Where did this come from? Why is this wet? Slimy. I don't know. Whose fault is that? I don't know. Forget it, right? Yeah, no, I might as well do this. This is a weird subject to have a debate on, because I don't know how to frame the debate. I mean, it seems idiotic that we can't have any different definition of what quantum mechanics is, or what is happening on the small, in the small particle universe. Like, they're basically saying there's no such thing as a legitimate argument or debate. Take this with me. Come on, cat. And I think, come on. Cat. Don't you go swatting and such. Anyway, yeah, I better feed the cats first. Give me a face. You okay? You look kind of cranky. You don't like cardboard. Yeah, you don't like cardboard. How's your face? Oh, it's healed up good. Yep, excellent. It's bald, but it's healed. Alright, I'll get you food. So anyway, the point I'm making, which I'll continue later, is, I mean, there's got to be room for different interpretations. And if I have to, when I say quantum, if the word quantum mechanics means I have to accept that particles are waves, well, fuck you. I don't have to. I don't have to accept that this, especially when the wave is a theoretical probability wave. I mean, the wave isn't really like the particles moving in a wave. The wave is a relationship based on probability. It's a probability wave. It isn't even a real thing. And this is just idiotic that somehow you can't have this conversation. You can't say the words quantum mechanics without meaning everything about quantum theory in terms of you have to accept a non-deterministic random universe theory. So I can't believe in quantum mechanics without accepting your assertion that particles don't exist, that they decide when you look at them where they are. I mean, this is all such a pile of shit There's explanations for what's happening. We just can't describe what's happening. We can only describe the results, the products, the end, the interactions, what's the word for that? The net effect they have on the world around them. Oh, it's a cardinal. I don't know if you can see that. I wonder if I can zoom. Yeah, a little bit. Pretty birds. Anyway, so this video is really... Alright, I know, I'm really wasting way too much time. Sue me. Good luck with that. Alright, continuing where I left off. Okay, so anyway, the point is, quantum theory could be, what's the theory? Could be a lot of different theories. Could be a lot of theories to why photons act the way they do. And quantum mechanics, the math, is basically just probability math. I mean, it just basically extends volume and time to make the behavior predictable, because we can't isolate, we can't see one photon, we can't follow it, we can't watch its behavior, and we can't deduce anything from its behavior. Essentially, it's like the dice rolling scenario. You're not going to learn anything from one roll of the dice. You got to roll the dice a lot. And quantum mechanics allows you to do that. Let's see if I can light this damn water here. Damn pilot. Isn't producing enough of a flame to keep the sensor. Well, I'll get back to this. Wait here. Okay, I guess I'll finish up. Sorry, very incoherent video. Really hard subject. I guess all I'm looking for is some description of the part of quantum mechanics that I have to, that's the Darwin part. You know, that's so established, so true that, I don't have any right to question the terminology, to say, oh yeah, I dispute that. Because I don't dispute probability math, that is quantum mechanics, where time and volume is approximated, where basically the math is done on a volume of particles, and then that is extrapolated into individual results. Yeah, I'm not disputing any of that. What I'm disputing is that that there is any wave function that's any kind of reality. That there's some other function. There's a function that's taking place for subatomic particles that's different than for regular particles. We already know that. We know that the forces holding atoms together are different than the forces holding planets together. So, I don't see why all of the quantum effects could simply be explained as being part of those nuclear forces. Forces that affect subatomic particles when they interact with slit material. But anyway, can't even sit out here. It's such a mess. What do you want, cat? Come on, just sit on your chair. Don't be bothering me and such. Hey, your chair's going to tip over, though. It's so muddy. Yeah. Anyway, what I need is terminology. What am I allowed to say? Do I have to say small particle physics when I want to talk about small particles, and just say fuck quantum? And if I say just fuck quantum, again, I'm going to be nagged and harassed because I didn't give proper respect to quantum. I mean, it's really irritating. Yeah, that's enough video. Yeah, irritated.